Good morning, students. Today we will study division of fractions. Earlier we know how to add fractions, how to subtract fractions, how to multiply fractions. Now we will learn how to divide the fractions, division of fractions. So division of fraction, it is almost similar like as we are doing the operation in the multiplication of fractions. Same type of operation, similar operation we will do here also in the division of fractions. Only little changes are there. Some new terms we will study, that is reciprocal of fraction. This reciprocal term only we have to understand only, then after we can solve very easily. So to understand division of fraction, we should know what reciprocal of fractions. So reciprocal means, you just see this boy here, this boy is, you can see this boy. Okay, now reciprocal of this boy will be just opposite of that boy, means that boy just turned by 180 degree. Okay, that boy is just turned by 180 degree, means exactly opposite. Okay, just it means if the fractions like 2 by 3, so its reciprocal will be 3 by 2. Okay, so it means this 3 here, it was in the denominator part, now it became numerator part, and you can see here this numerator part, this side became denominator part. So it means if we do the reciprocal of fraction, that will exactly move by 180 degree. You can see this boy, it was standing like this. When it is the reciprocal, just it was turned by 180 degree. You can see just opposite. Okay, so now this is about the reciprocal. So like 3 by 2, 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. So that's the only about the reciprocal. Just you have to do turn by the 180 degree, means just opposite. This denominator became numerators and numerator became denominators. रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब है जस्ट आपको अपोजिट कर देना, जो पहले न्यूमरेटर पार्ट था उसको डिनोमिनेटर बना दो. जैसा आप देखो यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर पार्ट था, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर हो गया, डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट न्यूमरेटर हो गया, जस्ट आपको अपोजिट करना है. और इस डिवीज़न में क्या है, जस्ट हम लोग जैसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम लोग जिस तरह का ऑपरेशन करते थे, जैसे स्टेप्स फॉलो करते थे, सेम यहाँ भी करेंगे. थोड़ा सा एक टर्म है, न्यू टर्म रेसिप्रोकल, बस इसको एक सीखना है हमें, एंड द रेस्ट same we will do. Okay, the product of such number is always 1 and they are called reciprocal. Means when we multiply a number with the reciprocal, it is always 1. Means any fraction, if you multiply with its reciprocal, its value will be always 1. Reciprocal are number pair that have product 1. So it is when you multiply any number with the it's a reciprocal, its a product will be always 1. Okay, example you can see 4 by 5 and 5 by 4. So this 4 by 5, its reciprocal is 5 by 4. When it multiplied, you get 1, you will get 1. Also you can see here is the 6, its reciprocal will be 1 by 6, because 6 is nothing but 6 by 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 by 6. When it will be multiplied, it will be 1. You can see this 6 cancel, 1 1, so 1. So likewise here 25 by 4, so its reciprocal will be 4 by 25, and you will multiply, you will get 1. So it means when you multiply any number with its reciprocal, the product will always 1. Okay, so this work you can do. Then its number, its reciprocal will be just 3 by 2, 5 by 6, its reciprocal will be 6 by 5. Okay, so similarly you can do here. Now here it is in the mixed fraction. So what you have to do, first of all you have to change mixed to improper. So 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, so 22 by 7, so its reciprocal will be 7 by 22. Okay, so that likewise we can do. Okay, now next the method for division, how we will divide. So you can see the rule for the division: to divide fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So when here we have to divide 6 by 6 divided by 3 and 3 by 4. So what we will do, this 6 you have to write the same, but when you have to write the reciprocal of 3 by 4 means by which number you are dividing, that part only you have to change. मीन्स आप जिससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मीन्स डिविज़र पार्ट को उसका आपको क्या करना है, रेसिप्रोकल निकालना है. और रेसिप्रोकल लिखने के बाद ये जो साइन है आपका डिवीज़न, ये किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. ओके, यू कैन सी लाइक दिस डिवीज़न साइन चेंज टू द multiplication and this part's reciprocal is 5. Okay, so that sign will change between that divide sign is there, that will be changed by the multiplication sign, and this divisor part by which number we are dividing, that we have to write this reciprocal. Okay, so that only method we have to follow. So like that we can solve it. Okay, so these are the methods. Let's solve some questions that we can. Okay, so these are some class work. This you can do it by yourself. Okay, now here we will solve exercise 8I. So in here first question we are going to solve 3 divided 1 by 4. So first question, first one, that is 3 divided 1 by 4. आपको 3 को डिवाइड करना है 1 by 4 से. ठीक है, तो पहला मेथड क्या करना है, आपको हमने क्या बताया था, इससे पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था, अगर होल नंबर लिखा हो, यहाँ पे होल नंबर है, तो सबसे पहले होल नंबर को आप फ्रैक्शन में लिख दो, 3 by 1 आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, इसके बाद डिवाइड 1 by 4, यहाँ तक आपको आता है पहले से. ठीक है, अब हम लोग को नया इसमें क्या करना है, व्हाट वी विल डू, अभी आपको जिससे डिवाइड करना है, मीन्स डिविज़र पार्ट, किससे डिवाइड करना है, 1 by 4 से. इसका मतलब है 1 by 4 का हमें क्या लिखना है, रेसिप्रोकल. तो 1 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल आप लिखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 4 by 1. व्हाट विल बी द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 by 4, दैट विल बी 4 by 1. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वी विल डू, जिसको आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, जिस मीन्स 3 को डिवाइड करना है, वो नंबर वैसे ही रहेगा, उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, और ये जो आपका डिवीजन साइन जो है, ये वाला डिवाइड साइन अभी क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये 1 by 4 जिससे आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, मीन्स आपका डिवीज़र पार्ट, ठीक है, वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका, उसका आपको क्या लिखना है, रेसिप्रोकल. मीन्स आपको उल्टा करके लिखना है, मीन्स न्यूमरेटर पार्ट डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा, और डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट न्यूमरेटर, और न्यूमरेटर पार्ट डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको ऐसे लिखना है. तो 1 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल कितना हो गया, 4 by 1. सो अभी आप इसको लिख देंगे 4 by 1. ओके, नाउ अब आपको पता है मल्टीप्लाई कराना, आपको आता है फ्रैक्शन का. आप इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, वर्टिकल वाइज डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, और क्रॉस वाइज भी आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये आपको पता है इस मेथड को. और फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऊपर मीन्स न्यूमरेटर पार्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, और डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करा सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पता है पहले से. सो नाउ वी कैन डू. सो यहाँ पे कोई डिवाइड हो सकता है नहीं. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इस 3 और इस 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करा देंगे न्यूमरेटर पार्ट को. सो कितना हो जाएगा, 4 इंटू 3 12, और ये 1 वाला और 1, तो कितना हो जाएगा, 1 इंटू 1, सो 12 by 1, सो दैट इज 12. सो आवर आंसर इज 12. अंडरस्टूड. सो व्हाट मेथड वी हैव डन, ओनली वी जस्ट चेंज this part is a reciprocal, and then after this divide sign change to the multiplication sign, and we can solve. Okay, next question number 3, 7 by 9 divided by 7. Okay, let's solve this question. Question number 3, 7 by 9, it is divided by 7. Okay, now first of all, if there is a whole number, we have to write in the fraction form. So here is the 7 in the whole number, so write 7 by 1. Okay, now next step, I have to write the reciprocal. So I have to write the reciprocal of which number, divisor part only. It means reciprocal of this. So 7 by 1 is a reciprocal will be 1 by 7. Okay, so reciprocal will be 1 by 7. Okay, now this divide sign will change to the multiplication sign, and here we can write 1 by 7. Now we can divide this 7 cancel. Now it means it is equals to 1 by 9, because in the numerator part there is only 1 and the denominator part only 9. So that's your answer, 1 by 9. Okay. Now next we will solve question number 7. 3 and 3 by 4 divided by 1 and 1 by 4. So question number 7. Question number 7. 3 by 4 divided by 1 and 1 by 4. Okay. So what we have to do, first of all, it is in the mixed fraction. So first of all we will change to the improper. So first you change it. So 3 4s of 12. 12 plus 3 15. So write 15 by 4 divided by 1 4s of 4 plus 1 5. So we can write 5 by 4. Now next step we will write in the reciprocal. So here first this number will be this 15 by 4 we will write the same because it is a dividend. We have to divide this number, and 5 by 4 it is your divisor, means by this number we have to divide. So we have to write this reciprocal. So first of all this divide sign will change to the multiplication sign, and this 5 by 4 is a reciprocal will be 4 by 5. Okay, so this 4 by 5 you just write here 4 by 5. Now if any we can divide. Yes, 5 3s are this 4 will cancel. So now only 3 is there. So your answer is 3, because in the denominator part 1 only. So 3 by 1, that is 3. So our answer is 3. Okay, so very easy it is. Only what you have to do, only you have to write the reciprocal, and the rest step is same like your multiplication. Okay. Now next question number 9. 1 divided 4 and 3 by 7. So question number 9. 1 divided 4 and 3 by 7. Okay, so what we will do, first we write this whole part in the fraction form. This mix to the improper. 4 7s are 28 plus 3 31. So write 31 by 7. Okay. Now next step we will change it. So first 1 by 1. Now multiply sign. The reciprocal of 31 by 7 will be 7 by 31. Okay. Now what we can write? So 1 into 7 7. 31 into 1 31. So our answer is 7 by 31. Okay. Now next question number 11. 0 divided 6 and 1 by 11. So very easy, it will be 0 if we know that any number is divided, if we divide 0 by any number. Okay, what will be the answer? 0. So let's solve this question. Question number 11. 0 divided 6 1 by 11. So आपको जैसा पता है 0 को आप किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0. बट आप हमेशा याद रखना एक चीज़, आप अगर 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं इसका आंसर क्या होता है? 0. बट किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से अगर डिवाइड करेंगे इसका आंसर 0 नहीं होगा. इट्स आंसर विल बी नॉट 0 बिकॉज it is undefined. It is undefined. Okay, it is undefined. This will be not 0. So always you have to remember, we can divide 0 by any number, its answer will be 0. But we divide by 0 to any number, its answer is not 0. Its answer is undefined. It is not defined. Any number it is possible. Okay, so it is very important concept. Must remember this one. Okay. Now here if we follow this step, so we can write 0 by 1, no problem. Divide 6 11 6 is 66 plus 1 67 by, okay, we know that the answer will be 0 but we just following the steps. So here will be 1. So now change this to multiplication sign. Reciprocal will be 11 by 67. Now you multiplied by 0, so whole term will be 0. So answer is 0. Okay, or directly you can write the answer 0 because we know that if we divide 0 by any number, that answer will be 0 only. Now question number 14. 3 and 4 by 5 divided by 3 and 5. Question number 14 we will solve. So 3 4 by 5 divided by 3 and 5. So first of all we will change it. So 3 5s are 15 plus 4 19. So write here 19 by 5. Okay, 19 by 5 divided by 3 by 5. Now we will do the next step. 19 by 5, and here will be this divide sign will change to the multiplication sign, and we will write the reciprocal. So reciprocal will be 5 by 3. So this 5 cancel, so we can write here 19 by 3. This 19 by 3 is our answer, but it is in the improper, so we can change to the mix. So when you will change, so you will get 6 as a quotient, 1 will be the remainder, and 3 will be your denominator is already 3, so here will be 3. So 6 and 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay, one more question we will solve. 16 divided by 2 and 2 by 15. Okay, let's solve. Question number 15. 16 divided 2 and 2 by 15. So first step, if there is a whole part, we will write in the fraction form. Change it to 15 is 30 plus 2, 30, 2 by 15. Okay, now next we can write here 16 by 1, and it will be changed to the multiplication sign, and its reciprocal will be 15 by 32. Now we can divide. Yes, 16 2 is 32. Okay, so now we can write here answer 15 by 2. So this 15 by 2 is our answer, but it is in improper, so we will change to the mix. So you will divide it. So 7 will be the quotient, 1 will be the remainder. So 7, 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so likewise we can do it. Okay, so very easy, you can do the division. So exercise 8i you can solve. Okay.